Good morning, students. With continuations of the Maxwell second equations, today the curl of H is equal to J plus curly D upon curly T. As you know that this equation is derived from the Ampere's circuital law, which states that the electromotive force chi m is given by the time rate of flow of charge. Chi m is equal to dq upon dt or chi m is equal to I, because dq upon dt is equal to current. Yeah, that is conduction current. Okay, conduction current is nothing but it is the current due to the actual motion of a charged particle around the loop around which closed integral b dot dl is evaluated. So chi m is equal to closed integral h dot dl, and if J be the current density, then I is equal to volume integral J dot ds. By using the Ampere's law, which can be rewritten as, which may be written as closed integral h dot dl is equal to J plus dot ds, right? Then Maxwell showed that not only the flow of charges but also the changing electric field can cause magnetic field. Faraday's law states that changing magnetic field causes electric field. So Maxwell's assertion is just the reverse of the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Maxwell proved that the contribution of magnetic field due to changing electric field is equivalent in curly D upon curly tau. It is called the displacement current density. So the Ampere's circuital law is modified as closed integral h dot dl is equal to surface integral J plus curly D upon curly T into ds. According to Stokes theorem, closed integral h dot dl is equal to surface integral curl of h into ds. So equating these two equations, we have curl of h ds is equal to J plus curly D upon curly T into ds. ds से ds cancel out होगा, surface integral से surface integral cancel होगा. Then we have curl of h is equal to J plus curly D upon curly T. Next है derivation of Maxwell's third equations, that is divergence of D is equal to rho. According to the Gauss law in electrostatic, the total electric flux through the Gaussian surface is equal to the charge enclosed by it. That is, closed surface integral D dot ds is equal to Q. If rho be the charge density, then Q is equal to volume integral rho into dV. Then closed integral D dot ds is equal to वॉल्यूम इंटीग्रल रो इंटू ds, क्योंकि क्यू की जगह हमने रो dv लिख दिया. अकॉर्डिंग टू गॉस डाइवर्जेंस थ्योरम, क्लोज इंटीग्रल d डॉट ds इज इक्वल टू, क्योंकि हमें पता सरफेस इंटीग्रल वॉल्यूम इंटीग्रल में डायरेक्ट कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, वॉल्यूम इंटीग्रल डेल डॉट d इंटू dv. सब्स्टिट्यूट दिस वैल्यू इन द above इक्वेशन, देन वी हैव वॉल्यूम इंटीग्रल डाइवर्जेंस ऑफ d dv इज इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम इंटीग्रल रो इंटू dv. वॉल्यूम से वॉल्यूम कट गया, dv से dv, देन वी हैव डाइवर्जेंस ऑफ d इज इक्वल टू रो. दिस इज द डेरिवेशन ऑफ थर्ड मैक्सवेल इक्वेशन. लास्ट जो इक्वेशन है मैक्सवेल्स फोर्थ इक्वेशन है, डाइवर्जेंस ऑफ b इज इक्वल टू 0. b इज नथिंग बट हियर b इज द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड फ्लक्स फील्ड. दिस रिलेशन इज derived from the magnetic counterpart of the Gauss law in magnetism. The magnetic lines of force are continuous and do not appear to have the origin or the end. That is, the total magnetic flux through any Gaussian surface drawn in the magnetic field is 0. It implies that the closed integral b dot ds is equal to 0. By applying the Gauss divergence theorem, closed integral b dot ds is equal to volume integral divergence of b into dv. So reduce this equation, divergence of b into dv is equal to 0, and it gives the required results डाइवर्जेंस ऑफ बी इज इक्वल टू 0। ये जो आज हमने आर्टिकल्स किया है मैक्सवेल्स इक्वेशंस, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। डेरिवेशन ऑफ मैक्सवेल फर्स्ट इक्वेशन, सेकंड, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ, तो ये एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो प्लीज नोट इट डाउन। नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास डिफरेंशियल फॉर्म ऑफ मैक्सवेल्स इक्वेशंस। As you know, in free space or vacuum, there is no flow of charge and current density is 0 and there are no charge particle present in the space and hence rho is equal to 0. Second, in the presence of steady current, curly D upon curly T is equal to 0 and curly B upon curly T is equal to 0 because both the electric as well as magnetic field remains constant. Third, in the absence of current, what in the presence of static charge, curly B upon curly T is equal to 0, hence current density J is equal to 0 and curly D upon curly T is equal to 0. So in case of the charge density rho and current density J in the problems under investigation are 0, so the Maxwell equation reduces to curl of E is equal to minus curly D upon curly T and curl of H is equal to J plus curly D upon curly T. Mu naught into curl of H is equal to mu naught J plus curly D upon curly T because we know that B is equal to mu naught H. Hence curl of B is equal to mu naught curly D upon curly T because J जो है वो पहले ही 0 कर मान लिया हमने. So we can write it as next equation क्या थी? Divergence of E is equal to 0 and divergence of magnetic field is equal to 0. So substituting D is equal to epsilon naught into E, then Maxwell equation reduces to curl of E is equal to minus curly B upon curly T and curl of B is equal to mu naught J plus epsilon naught curly E upon curly T. D की जगह हमने वो वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दी है. So curl of E is equal to rho upon epsilon naught and curl of B is equal to 0. In the Maxwell equation, the first equation is the statement of Faraday's law and the second equation deals with the Ampere's circuital law which hold both steady as well as varying current. The third equation shows the statement of the Gauss law and is true for both static and varying magnetic field, both for stationary and moving charges. The last equation, that is the fourth equation, is a general equation for magnetic field which states that the total magnetic flux over any closed surface is 0. Hence the Maxwell 4 equation along with the following 3 equations form the basis for which the whole structure of electromagnetism. So the Lorentz equation F is equal to Q into E plus B cross B and two medium dependent equation B is equal to mu naught mu r into H and D is equal to mu epsilon naught epsilon r into E. Hence these are the डिफरेंशियल फॉर्म ऑफ मैक्सवेल इक्वेशंस. नेक्स्ट में हम सिग्निफिकेंस पढ़ेंगे मैक्सवेल इक्वेशन का और कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ मैक्सवेल इक्वेशंस एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट करंट. होप यू एंजॉय दिस लेक्चर. थैंक यू वेरी मच.